How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Good Lock in Samsung. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is open up the Galaxy Store and then type in the search bar Good Lock. So it should come up right away at the top. So press on Good Lock and then press on the down arrow to download it. We'll give it a second to download. So once it's downloaded, you press on the little play button to open it. And here it'll bring up a list of all the different apps that you can download within Good Lock. So you can create 3D motion wallpapers, create new lock screens, and then you can do other things like manage notification history and use your phone or tablet with just your thumb using the one-hand operation app. So if you wanted that, you would simply download it within the Good Lock app. So that's pretty much it. That's how to install Good Lock in Samsung. Thank you for watching.